Hello traders, Forex Green Pips is the name of reliable and accurate signals in Forex stock market signals and provides copy trading hour recommendations based on technical and fundamental analysis. These signals are designed to help our professional traders identify and capitalize on potential trading opportunities in the market. Signals are usually generated by experienced traders who analyze the market with their experience and also be based on news and economic data releases. The signals are typically sent via Telegram with proper stop loss and take profit with more than 85% accuracy. We are confident that your account will grow. You can also see our previous signals reports on the performance page. If you are busy, not have time to trade on our signals, just subscribe FGP Trade Copier and copy the trades of our professionals and experienced traders. It's very simple and easy to set up. After subscription, we provide trade receivers software just you install on a laptop, and we attach your account with our master account, and our all trade automatically execute on your trading account. You can go to work, sleep or spend time with family. The FGP Trade Copier will run copy trades on your MT4, MT5 account. It is 100% fully automated and all our trade with proper risk management and a 0% chance that your account goes in negative. It is safe and secure. Have any questions, please contact our support. Happy trading.